Why can't I be attractive when I wake up?
We should pop. Yeah, 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 we should pop. Yeah.
Hold up.
Pop right here. Pop right here. Pop right here. Everything's okay right here.
Oh my gosh, my face literally just turned so red from that. What the hell? Hey girl, what's up? So I'm reporting from my bed at the beginning of this vlog with Penny. Oh my gosh, my face just got so red. Like I was genuinely like distraught with like my appearance. Go ahead and put on my contacts because my bitch ass can't see shit right now. All I see is fuzziness. Do most people put their contacts on in their bed, or do you guys actually like get up and wash your hands and shit? Because morning, Miss Piggy Wiggy. How are you? You guys, Penny's looking like a snack. Penny has been on her supplements. She actually had a problem with gaining weight to where like her like ribs were like hella showing. But sister's doing good. I'm so proud of her. My morning routine literally consists of waking up. Let's do a morning routine. I'm giving you... So I'm going to show you guys a product that has actually been working for me really, really, really well. So if you're somebody who's been dealing with like dark marks and just like spots that can't go away, like I don't like to promote skincare that doesn't actually work because I'm somebody who is a viewer of YouTubers, and whenever they promote shit that, you know, I end up trying and it doesn't work, I actually get shitty about it. I was using that skin bleaching cream. It was called hydrocodone, I think. Do not use it. It's not good for you. Pick this up. That hydro whatever stuff is not that expensive. This is a little expensive. This is $80. But when I fucking tell you this stuff actually works and it's gonna last you at least like a year, because the lady told me that she uses this and it's lasted her a year. Girl. Drop the clean and clear, sis. Drop the Neutrogena. I know some people might be like, but bitch, do you think I got Dermalogica money? But when it comes to your skincare, you need to actually like invest in it, because if you put on some shit that's gonna ruin your face, then you're just gonna be back at square one. What's the point? I'm gonna go do what I have to do, and then I'm gonna take Penny. I'm very bold. I was about to walk Penny right the fuck up. Bitch, I don't have pants on. Okay, here we go. The reincarnation of Barbie.
What is the reincarnation? Oh, that sounds.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared because your hair's like nice. So.
Oh my god.
Stop! Don't fucking do me like that, bitch. Oh wait, can I like cut it on the top first before I start
Yeah.
it? I'm trying to give you a warning. I started cutting. I will go to beauty school one day.
Ooh, that feels weird. This sounds weird.
Yeah, because I'm using cheap ass scissors. These are not hair cutting shears. Are you crying?
Yeah, my eyes watering.
Okay, we're done.
We're done.
Ooh, this is fun. I feel like I'm in like Edward Scissorhands. Have you ever watched that?
Yeah. Like a Bratz doll. Have you ever had those when you were a child?
Yeah, duh. I was broke, but I wasn't that bad.
It's hard now if you play with dolls or
Pajamas.
fucking trucks.
What are you trying to say? I've never done a buzz cut before.
Really?
What if I end up making you like bald? I was about to start spilling the tea on my arm, but then I realized this is going on YouTube, so maybe I shouldn't speak. So I just went to go and pick up my like pool key and all that stuff so I could like use the tennis courts and the basketball courts in my neighborhood. You have to get like a card for it or whatever. So I went to go and pick that up, and there was these two little girls on the side of the street, and it was just so adorable to me. Like, it was so adorable. They were just sitting on the side of the street, and they had their lemonade stand and everything, and it said like lemonade $1. And when I was their age, I was all about that hustle too. I was trying to sell lemonade. I was trying to put on performances, sell tickets to shows on the basketball court, making bracelets. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna support these little girls. So I gave them $20 for one fucking cup of lemonade, you guys. Literally, like, I gave her a 20 and she looked confused because in their little like money jar, I could tell they only had like a couple ones in there. So I was like, okay, they're not gonna have change. So I was like, you could just keep it. And she was like, really? I was like, yeah. She's like, thank you. And bitch, when I drove off, those little girls screamed so hard, you guys. They went, yes! I said, these little scammers. Here I go with my $20 lemonade. Oh my gosh, you're so excited! Ow! Me and Zach are at Walmart now.
Do they film walls here?
Oh my god. Okay, Paris. Got some tennis rackets and we're gonna go play tennis. Oh, I almost clocked an old. So let me tell you guys what happened when we walked into Walmart. So we walked in and this Caucasian woman goes, Jesus. Basically to Zach. Yeah. So bitch, I step up and I'm like, Jesus what, bitch? Have a little side comment?
Speak up again.
Speak up again, because Jesus ain't here, sis. But we both got matching pink rackets, I think that's what it's called, so I'm super excited. Where are we gonna go though? Like, do you wanna go to the tennis court at my house, or do you wanna go?
Should we check the one on Litchfield and see if it's like crowded?
Yeah, since it's like right next to us, right?
Hi everyone, so I'm back with Vanessa.
I like just started vlogging. Are you ready? Okay.
Oh my god! Okay, all I play was Wii tennis. Give me a break.
I know, I am giving you a break. That's why I'm silent.
Welcome to my dad owns this. Welcome to Tropical Smoothie.
One of our many franchises.
Yeah, one of our many franchises.
We're just checking in, you know, listening over
getting a free smoothie.
And clearly somebody's getting fired.
Yeah.
It's so bright. It's literally so bright. Oh my gosh. But we're at the pool. Yay! I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, it's literally so fucking bright. But we're out here trying to tan. Not that I really need it, but your girl's trying to get golden, so. Yeah. So me and Zach are at the pool. I can't swim. Honestly, it's so relaxing. We've been here for probably like, I don't know, 30 minutes, 20 minutes.
An hour.
Really? Already?
Close to an hour.
Shoot. But we're in like the deep end. I don't know why, because he can't swim.
I literally can't swim.
I'm gonna bring my phone since iPhone's waterproof, right? Just watch me drop it in it. Ooh, sis. So now we're at Barrows. Zach is getting some extra sauce. He's somewhere over there. But I got me some hot wings. I got a 12-piece traditional bone-in. But I'm so happy. So far I've had like 3 of them. But I got medium, I think, and then
your card got declined. I'm gonna need to take back your food.
So I got like some extra sauce because
my dish was dry.
yeah, they did not put enough. But
I'm also wondering, like, it was this barbecue? Did they mean like they fried it on the barbecue?
yeah, what kind of wings are these? Yeah, we're just eating. I got a little bit of a tan from the pool, to be honest. Not much, but like a little bit. I'll have to go back, but yeah, we're just eating and I don't really know what else is gonna happen today, so y'all will see, I guess. So that is it for today's video. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me on another, I guess, like, follow me around today vlog. I like to do these at least like once a week on my channel just so I can switch up the content, I guess. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to me, and if you're not subscribed to Zach, go ahead and subscribe to him as well. I mean, you guys see him on my channel, so why not watch his videos too? I'm super excited for you guys to see the content that I'm gonna be releasing next week. Honestly, like, I'm just so excited. Like, next week is about to be so freaking fun, you guys. My cousin is actually coming into town on Saturday, so if you guys want me to like vlog with him, I'm totally down. He's super obnoxious. His mom is dropping him off basically and going to Vegas, so I'm gonna have my cousin here for about a week. So if you guys want to like see like what that's all about, let me know. Actually, like, super funny and problematic, and he's like me and Zach times 3, but worse. If you guys want me to vlog while he's here, then I'll definitely do that so you guys can like see him, because you know how like there's just some people that you see and you're like, you're meant to like do YouTube, you're meant to do something entertaining, you're supposed to do something I don't know, something with entertainment. My cousin is the definition of that person. Like, he needs a show. He needs to be like the next Wendy Williams. So I want to definitely like introduce you guys to him, because whenever I find entertaining people, which is rare, like, hello, I want to share their entertainment with the world. And he's completely okay with it, so we'll see about that. And then I also have somebody else coming to see me next week. So, can you guys guess who? You guys will see. I'm just like super excited. Like, the next like month is gonna be so much fun. Like, just so much fun. So stay tuned. Make sure you have my notifications on so you can see my newest videos. Make sure you check out my last couple videos, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
me if you